love zoysia lawns. Quite simply, they are stunning to look at, easy to keep, provide good wear recovery and require less water and lower maintenance. One of the best things about Empire Zoysia is less mowing, fertiliser, pesticides and dethatching. If you leave it unmowed for say 2 to 4 weeks, it doesn't look untidy because it doesn't have the seed head. This is why Empire Zoysia is also known as easy grass. So you can do more of this. Empire Zoysia is also recognised for its eye-catching dark green colour and fine to medium leaf blade that are soft underfoot. Like buffaloes in cold and frosty climates, zoysia grasses will brown off during winter, but are quick to recover in spring when the ground warms up. The Empire Zoysia meets the erosion control Australian standards. If you get 3 to 4 hours of sun a day and you want an easy maintenance grass, well, Empire Zoysia is the grass for you.